Struggling about children's inability to make sentences, then today's video is for you only. So hello parents and hello my little learners. In today's video, we are going to explore the strategies how you are going to construct sentences, that is sentence making fun. We reached an incredible milestone, that is all because of you my family members. So we reached 50K in Facebook page. So I hope you are going to join me in YouTube also. So together we will make a greater journey. If you still not joined YouTube and Facebook, then please join Facebook and YouTube. We are providing worksheets and activities. Today's video is on sentence making fun. So this is the worksheet. Today we are going to solve. If you need this, then please join with us. Sentence making fun. So this is the first slide. So here your child is going to see the image. Okay. So whose image is this? You are going to ask. Then if he or she knows, then they will tell. If they don't know, then make the sentence read with them. Okay. I am going to fly a kite. Kite. So make the spelling K I T E, kite. Then the second sentence, I am going to eat a, this is the picture of a banana. B A N A N A, banana. The third sentence, I am going to read a, this is the picture of a book. I am going to buy a Scott. Now, the fifth one, I am going to ride a bicycle. Okay. Now, this slide. I like to, in the evening, I like to watch TV in the evening, or you can say I like to watch television in the evening. My cat likes to sleep under my bed. My dad parks his car in front of our house. My sister is playing with her doll. This is the picture of a doll on the sofa. My teacher is teaching in the classroom. Okay. In this way, you are going to enhance their vocabulary by showing the object. So after that, they are going to make sentences. So next is going to the market. While going to the market, what are the words we are going to use in daily? So we are going to write these sentences. Okay. Today I go to a market with my now positional sentences. The box. The box is under the table. The mango is next to the cup. The chair is in the house. The man is under the tree. The brush is in the glass. Okay, so these are the positional sentences. So daily we are using these sentences. By practicing this kind of worksheet, their vocabulary will be strong. Now, these are CVC words. Okay, we are going to make sentences with CVC words. The first one, the mug is hot. So you are going to write here hot. I put on my red hat, hot. So here, this is the picture of a hat. The snow is big. Man. The snowman. I see the thick fig, fog. So this is the picture of I see the thick fog. Who will get a leg, log? This is the picture of a log. So who will get a log? Today I go to a market with my mother. So here we are going to write mother. We buy vegetables and fruits. First, we go to the fruit stall. We buy apple. We buy bananas, watermelons, oranges, and grapes. After that, we go to vegetable stall. Mom buys broccoli, tomatoes, potatoes, radish, and cucumber. Next, we buy many kinds of snacks such as cookies, donut, lollipop, then ice creams and sauce. We also buy cereals, eggs, then milk and bread before we go home. So I hope you like today's video and these worksheets. So we are providing these kind of worksheets to enhance a child's vocabulary. If you need these kind of worksheets, then please join us in Facebook and message us so that we are going to give you this treasure hunt. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.